Welcome to my channel.
Welcome back, my friends, to my kitchen. Today we'll be making simple jollof rice with chicken. So I'm gonna prepare all the ingredients I will use. I'll be using tomato paste, but I like to put a few chunks of fresh tomatoes just because I like to have it in the rice. I won't let that cook too well. Then I get all the seasoning. That's thyme. That's all seasoning. This is rosemary. Put curry. Cube, seasoning cube, and that's pepper and salt. When all that is done, then I'll get my chicken prepared. I would have gone ahead to fry or bake it, but I just want to get some broth out. To get the broth, I will have to season it and steam it a little before I fry or bake it, whichever one I choose. While the chicken steam, I will wash the steamed parboiled rice and get it ready. That's the tomato paste that I'll be using. Almost everything is ready. I'm gonna check the chicken now. The chicken is ready, so I'm gonna season it more and put it. I decided that I'm gonna bake it. Now let's start the real cooking. Fry your onions in a hot oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic paste. Stir it. I like to leave my onions for a little while because I like the flavor. Then my tomato chunks, which I'm gonna leave fresh. So it's time to put the paste. Hopefully this paste will be enough for the rice that I'm making. I'm using one. We all know that tomatoes can be a little bit sour. To tone that down, I'm gonna add a little bit of sweetener. You can add sugar if you want, like half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. Your food is not gonna taste sweet, believe you me. It will just make it less sour. So that can be that. So I like to add sweetener in my tomatoes. So put your seasoning and the broth. If you feel the broth is not enough, then you can add more water. Depending on the softness of the rice you're using. My rice is almost cooked, so I'm not gonna add too much water. Then you pour your rice, stir to get all those seasonings and ingredients at the bottom to the top, or else you will have your rice burning and the top will not taste good. I should have definitely used more than one tomato paste for this because it's not red. An option is to add paprika to it to get it even more red, but I'm going to leave it like that. Cover it to cook, and when it's all done, turn off your stove and stir it together to make sure all the ingredients mix. I like to do that. So even though you have added all your ingredients, at this point you can taste it to make sure you have enough salt, you have enough pepper, you have enough seasoning, because you can do it while you can add more while you stir. So I'm gonna check. Chicken is ready. I'm gonna dish out. All the kids are running around. They can't wait. They love it when I make jollof rice. Please like and comment, share, support my channel. See you again soon. Bye bye.